What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to do a speed test comparison between the P20 Lite and the Mate 10 Lite. You can see both the devices are in front of us, and let me tell you a few of the specifications for both of the devices. Both are having Kirin 659 processor and both are having 4GB of RAM, and you can see right now we have a similar set of applications in both the devices. So without any further delay, let's get started, and let me just show you there is no app running in the background. You can see in both the devices there is no app running in the background. And let's start the stopwatch right away, and we have started our speed test, and I will do it in two rounds. The first round will be to see if all the applications, how much time does all the applications take to complete the first round, and in the next round we will be just doing the RAM management test. Actually both the devices are running on a different software. The one is on Android 7.1.2, the Mate 10 Lite, and the P20 Lite is on Oreo. Let's see how much time does both the devices take to complete the first round, and we will proceed to the second round then. And right now we are on the lap sit on Mate 10 Lite and the P20 Lite, and let's see which device retrieves this clip of 10 seconds, which is the same clip in both the devices. So let's just see how much time does it take to which one completes this round faster. And you can clearly see the Mate 10 Lite has taken the lead, and it is now moving to the Amazon. Same is the case with the P20 Lite, although it is a bit slower than the Mate 10 Lite. The animations look a bit quicker than on the Mate 10 Lite, and they are actually slower on the P20 Lite. And now we are on the gaming section, and both the devices are loading the games, and these are 4 games. Actually these will test the RAM management in the next round, so I will just leave them opened in the background. Right now both the devices are actually on the same game, and P20 Lite has actually taken the lead, and it is now moving to the pinout, and Mate 10 Lite is also on the pinout, and we are on the final application on the P20 Lite, which is the Asphalt 8, and same is the case with the Mate 10 Lite. And let's see which device launches faster. Actually looks like Mate 10 Lite is actually going to take the lead. P20 Lite is actually taking too much time to load this application. I don't know what's the reason why it is taking so much time. That's very absurd for this device. And Mate 10 Lite interestingly has completed this round earlier, and let's see how much time it has taken. And it has taken a total time of 1 minute and 50 seconds, and same time is taken by the P20 Lite. Actually it is the same results for the first round. That is very interesting to see. This is first time in any video that both the devices have completed the first round at the same time. Now let's move to the next round and start our RAM management test for both the devices. In this round I will be just having a look on all the applications which I have opened in the first round, and you can see right now all these applications are present in the background. There is no lag, everything is just going smooth and perfect. The 4GB of RAM looks almost very good for both of these devices to keep all these applications running. Actually P20 Lite has reloaded the YouTube, you can see, and now we are moving on the next applications. It is keeping few of the applications running, and Mate 10 Lite has actually completed the next round of RAM management test, and it has taken a total time of 2 minutes and 27 seconds. And P20 Lite is actually reloading the game, the Temple Run 2. That is very interesting to see. 4GB of RAM and still reloading. That's very absurd. I have never seen this before. So let's see what happens with other games. This game was present and P20 on the pinout, and let's see, this game is also reloading. That's very bad to see for this device. And let's see what happens on Asphalt 8, and it is reloading again. So that's a complete failure in the RAM management section. Maybe the things are not optimized for this device. It needs an update. Let's see how much time it has taken now. So it has taken a total time of 3 minutes and 8 seconds, which is almost close to 50-second difference between both the devices. So you can see guys, there is a lot of difference in the speed in both the devices. Maybe it is because that the P20 Lite is on Oreo, and it is the hardware is not performing up to that mark, and the Mate 10 Lite being on 7.1.2 is actually very well optimized with the hardware, and P20 Lite needs updates in the future. So that's it guys, this was the speed test comparison between both the devices, and I have already posted a lot of videos of P20 Lite. You can check them on my channel, and I will be posting a lot more speed tests of this device with other devices. And if you want to make me a speed test comparison for other devices which you want to have P20 Lite to be compared, tell me in the comment section down below, and I will be just comparing this device with that particular device. So that's it guys, this was all about the speed test, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.